Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
船
See how to pronounce this character.
船吃乌安船船小船小船河里有一只小船，河里有一只小船。轮船轮船我坐轮船去旅行。我坐轮船去旅行。船舱船舱船舱里坐满了人。船舱里坐满了人。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. It's a bit difficult when you first start writing Chinese characters. Write and imitate more, and you'll get better gradually. Note that the left part can be written a little larger. This character means traveling on water, carrying people and goods. In Chinese culture, it also represents communication, connection, and smoothness. In ancient China, transportation was not convenient, so traveling by boat symbolized going to faraway places. When writing this character and reaching this stroke, you need to write it a little faster. Time passed quickly in this lesson. Class is over.